Making $10,000 per month online is super achievable. Typically, that requires a lot of hard work, a lot of dedication, and strategic planning. Here are 10 potential online businesses you can start now and achieve your goal of earning in dollars as soon as possible. Hey y'all, Chantel here per usual, the curator of this channel and your online bestie. Thank you all so much for joining today. If you're a newbie here and you'd like to join the Chantel Nation family, you want to be a certified member of our Chantel Nation family, please do so now by clicking on the subscribe button and the bell icon next to it so that whenever I post, you'll be one of the first to get that notification. It is free 99, you're not paying for subscription, okay? All right, thank you all so much. If you also enjoy watching this video, at the end of it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share with your friends and family. Thank you, thank you. I have similar videos like this on my channel, which I'll leave linked in the description box and also in the cards so that you can go check them out and get one or two insights from them. I always like to give insightful information on this channel. Number one, freelancing. Offer your skills and expertise in areas such as writing, graphic design, web development, marketing, consulting, the list goes on. To do this, you can use platforms like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr. I have a Fiverr discount code. I'll leave links in my description box and also boldly written on the screen in case you want to explore it. Use the aforementioned to create projects and link up with your clients. In no time, you will start earning big in dollars. Number two, e-commerce. Start an online store selling products through sites like Shopify, Etsy, or even Amazon. All you need to do is find a niche that is high in demand and low in competition. That way you cash out pretty fast. Just focus on customer service and marketing, and the site, at least Amazon that I'm sure of, takes care of dispatch and delivery of the items, so you don't have to worry your head with that. Number three, create and sell digital products. I have done this before a few years ago, and I can't disclose how much I made, but I can tell you for free that it was very lucrative, very, very lucrative. A lot of people are sleeping on this, and I don't know why. You can work on ebooks, you can work on online courses, you can sell templates or even softwares. Once created, digital products can generate passive income with minimal ongoing effort. What that means is that once you sell one product, another person can buy the same product. You don't need to keep updating. One ebook can make over you can't even restrict the sales. Basically, it can sell over and over again to different people. All you need to do is just to focus on marketing and pushing it out. Even from customer reviews, you will get more sales. Just make sure that what you're trying to sell as a digital product is something that is valuable and people will jump on it. Okay? Fourth on my list is one that a lot of people have heard of. I'm sure that you watching this video have heard of it, but you have not decided to jump on it. Or maybe you have, I don't know. And that is affiliate marketing. Doing this requires you to promote other people's companies, other people's products or services through affiliate marketing programs. In turn, you will earn commission from driving traffic and sales through your affiliate links to these websites or even a physical store. That means they will mention your customized name or whatever the company must have given you to do the marketing for them. The fifth point is kind of mirroring they work hand in hand with the fourth point, that is affiliate marketing. So this is blogging/vlogging, aka YouTube, being a content creator in general. Start a blog or a YouTube channel and monetize. Yes, you can monetize as soon as you start your channel, even before you get to the YouTube monetization threshold, by doing things like affiliate marketing, which I already mentioned, or you can monetize via fan funding. That is when your subscribers are good to you and they just want to spoil you with some money. Sponsorships from brands, or also selling digital products like I mentioned at the beginning of the video. To grow as a content creator, all you need to focus on is creating valuable content that will attract a loyal audience. Yeah, I have a video where I talked about how to become a content creator, how you can go about it. I'll leave all of that in the description box and you can deep delve into that and gain more understanding of what I just mentioned. The sixth online business you can start and start earning dollars is Drop shipping. A lot of us have heard about this word drop shipping, but we don't understand what it really means. Probably because the name is really, it looks very ambiguous and very vast, basically. Putting it in simple terms, what drop shipping means is setting up an online store and partnering with suppliers who will handle the inventory and shipping of the items to the allocated buyers. Make sense? So basically, when your customers place an order through you, you in turn will put it together and send to the supplier for fulfillment. So they will handle the inventory and they will handle the shipping as well. All you need to do for this is just to focus on marketing and customer acquisition. You don't have to worry about the fulfillment of the order or how long it will take to get to the customer. Once you and the supplier have agreed on this, then it's go for you. You don't even need to invest any money into dropshipping to start. That is how good dropshipping is. Say for instance, I have this hairbrush here and I know people that need it. Women need hairbrushes, okay? And then I will go on AliExpress or Alibaba for wholesale shopping, get a supplier and tell them that, okay, I have customers that will want to buy this your hairbrush. Can you send me a sample? Or even if they don't have a sample, can you send me pictures, real HD pictures that I can share with my customers or my clients? And when they place an order, I will send you the details and you just ship to them. So that way, you're just the connector between the supplier and the customer, but individually they don't even know themselves. They've never met each other. You're the middleman and you're cashing out. Money is passing through your hand and you're getting some for yourself to put in your pockets. I just wanted to dwell on this a bit more and make it and give a very simple explanation so that even a layman can understand. So dropshipping is one of the 10 businesses, that's the 6th one I just mentioned, that you can start earning dollars as soon as now. Number 7, online coaching and consulting. You can offer online coaching or consulting in areas where you have the expertise. This kind of mirrors the second point that I talked about, freelancing. So if you have expertise in areas such as business, career management, fitness, makeup, personal finance, etc., this is your go-to. Like I mentioned, all of these are 100% online. You don't necessarily need to leave the house. So if you're a stay-at-home mom, you're someone who is an introverted person, but you just want to make money from the comfort of your home, you can jump on this, right? There are people looking to learn every day, and you can be their tutor and get paid for it. These platforms like Coach.me or Clarity.fm to connect with your clients. 8th on my list is stock trading and investing. You can learn about stock trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, real estate, or other assets. A disclaimer though, this method carries a lot of risk, but successful traders and investors can generate significant returns over time with this method or with this business idea. 9th on my list is membership sites. You can create a membership site or subscription service offering exclusive content, resources, or community access for a monthly fee. You can do this on sites like Patreon. There are a lot of them online. Just Google and you will get amazing results. To excel in this, you need to focus on delivering value and creating a very strong community. The 10th and final online business I'll be sharing in this video, one that you can start now and start earning in dollars, is app development. If you have the expertise, you can develop and monetize mobile apps for iOS and Android devices. What you need to do is identify a niche market or problem to solve and create an app that fits the bill. To get paid in dollars from app development, you can monetize by in-app purchases. You can also monetize by advertisements in the app or just placing subscription fees. But I would say that free apps do well and they make more money from in-app purchases. So for instance, let's say Candy Crush as a game, right? It's free to download. But once you're playing the game and maybe you require extra life, they tell you to watch an ad for a few seconds. Those in-app purchases or those advertisements in the app is where they get paid from. All right? Yeah. Keep in mind that achieving success in any of these methods requires time, requires effort, it requires strategic planning, dedication, hard work, like I mentioned at the beginning, and a willingness to continuously learn and adapt. It is advisable and essential to choose a path that aligns with your skills or something that you love doing so that you don't get bored when it doesn't go as planned or there's a delay in you getting paid in dollars ASAP. Yeah, I wish you all the best if you choose to start any of this. Let me know in the comments which of them resonates with you the most and which one you're considering. If you also have more ideas, you can leave same in the comment section. I'm sure a lot of people are looking to learn. Like I mentioned, I also have videos similar to this, which I'll leave linked in my description box. Please do well to check them out, and also in my cards in case I miss leaving them in my description box, but I'm sure I will not miss it. I'll leave them in my description box. Thank you all so much for watching. Subscribe if you're yet to. Leave a comment, give the video a thumbs up, and share. Until I come your way again, stay amazing. Bye, y'all. Mwah.